Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix your Valorant with the controller on PC and update it in an easy way. First thing you do is go ahead and go open up your browser. To open up your browser, go ahead and type NTS for Windows. The first three will pop up and go ahead and click on the third one or the second one. Doesn't really matter, go ahead and click on one of them. Once in the website, go ahead and scroll down until you see the download section and go ahead and click on the right one. Once you download it, go ahead and extract the file over here. Go ahead and extract all on the file folder. While extracted, go open up the folder and then scroll down until you see the DS4 application. Go ahead and double click until it opens. Everything here should be self-explanatory. Just go ahead and click on continue on everything. And once you are on the DS4 Windows, make sure to connect your controller. And to configure your controller, just go ahead and click on profiles. This will have your access or sensitivity on all controllers for all buttons. Now, while your Valorant is open, before you open this for Windows, it might not work. Just go ahead and restart your PC and open up DS4 before you open up your Valorant. Go ahead and enjoy your game as you are playing on a controller. That will be all today. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.